Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with me. I'm Maria.
And I'm Leonardo. Grab your coffee, guys, because today's topic is a good one.
Yes, today we're talking about how to train your brain to speak English like a native speaker.
Oh, this is close to my heart. Honestly, for years, I studied grammar books, but I still couldn't speak fast.
Really? But your English is so good now.
Thank you, but it took time. One day, I just decided to stop memorizing rules and start thinking in English instead.
That's so true. That's actually the secret. You have to immerse yourself, like surround yourself with English every single day.
Exactly. I started watching movies without subtitles. At first, it was so hard, I wanted to give up.
I bet. But did you give up?
No, I stuck with it. Slowly, my ears got used to the sounds.
That's amazing. You know, a lot of learners get stuck because they translate every word from their language.
Oh yeah, I used to do that. It was so slow. My brain was working overtime just to say one sentence.
I know that feeling. The trick is to just go with the flow. Don't stop to translate. Just keep talking, even if you make mistakes.
That's a great point. Mistakes are okay. I used to be so afraid of messing up in front of people.
Same here. But once I stopped worrying, my speaking improved so fast.
Honestly, I think listening is the key. If you listen a lot, your brain naturally picks up the rhythm.
Absolutely. And here's a fun trick. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing during the day.
I do that. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy, talking to myself in the kitchen.
That's hilarious, but it works. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
True, and don't be shy. Just speak up, even if it's not perfect.
Exactly. So today, we picked out 5 useful expressions from our chat. Ready to explore them?
Let's do it.
Okay, first one, immerse yourself. This means to fully involve yourself in something.
Right, like when I immersed myself in English movies and music every day.
Perfect example. Next, get used to. This means something becomes normal for you after some time.
Yeah, my ears got used to English sounds after watching lots of shows.
Great! Number 3, stuck with it. This means you continued doing something, even when it was difficult.
I stuck with watching movies without subtitles, even when I understood nothing.
So relatable. Number 4, go with the flow. This means to relax and not worry about controlling everything.
I love this one. Instead of stopping to translate, just go with the flow and keep talking.
Exactly. And our last expression, speak up. This means to talk more confidently and loudly enough for people to hear.
Yes, don't be shy. Speak up, even with mistakes.
Perfect. Those 5 expressions are super useful for daily conversations, so try using them today. Now, let's move to Say It Better, where we improve some basic sentences.
I love this part. First sentence. I want to speak English good.
Better version. I want to speak English well. Remember, good is an adjective, but well describes how you speak. That's an adverb.
Ah, that makes sense. Second one. I am agree with you.
Native speakers say, I agree with you. Agree is already a verb, so we don't need am.
Oh, I used to make that mistake all the time. Okay, last one. She is knowing the answer.
The natural way is, she knows the answer. Know is a stative verb. We usually don't use it in the continuous form.
That's so helpful. Small changes really make you sound more natural.
Exactly. Little corrections like these make a huge difference in how confident and native you sound. All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode.
We hope this helps you train your brain to think and speak like a native speaker.
Remember our 5 expressions. Immerse yourself, get used to, stuck with it, go with the flow, and speak up.
Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using one of these expressions in the comments below.
We'd love to see your sentences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, guys.
Bye, everyone!